In today's video, we'll explore the exciting world of making money with AI tools, focusing on how you can earn $1,000 in just 30 days. As artificial intelligence continues to revolutionize industries, its relevance in today's economy cannot be overstated. From automating tasks to enhancing productivity, AI offers incredible potential for generating income. We're thrilled to share practical steps that you can implement right away. So, stay tuned as we guide you through this journey of leveraging AI for financial success. Let's dive in and unlock the possibilities together. Before we get started, grab a pen and paper, or use your phone to take down these simple steps to financial freedom. Okay, future millionaires, are we all ready to get rich with artificial intelligence? Let's get started with step number 1. Identify the right AI tools for your needs to meet your goals. It's essential to pick the right AI tools tailored to your needs. Begin by researching popular options like TubeMagic, ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva, which are excellent for content creation. Evaluate each tool's features, pricing, and user reviews to determine which one aligns best with your goals. Consider factors such as ease of use and specific functionalities that can enhance your workflow. Once you've made your selections, create accounts on these platforms to start exploring their capabilities. This foundational step will set you up for success as you harness the power of AI in your projects. Step 2. Now that you have your AI tools, it's time to set clear financial goals and a timeline. Start by defining your target, earning $1,000 within 30 days. To make this goal more manageable, break it down into weekly milestones, such as earning $250 each week. This approach allows you to track your progress effectively and stay motivated. Utilize a planner or a digital tool to keep your goals visible and actionable. By having a structured plan in place, you'll be better equipped to stay focused and make adjustments as needed, ensuring you stay on track to achieve your financial target. Step 3. Develop a content strategy using AI tools. Start by outlining the types of content you want to create, whether it's blogs, social media posts, or videos. Leverage AI tools to generate ideas, outlines, and even drafts efficiently, saving you valuable time and effort. This will help you maintain a steady flow of creative content. Additionally, plan a content calendar to ensure consistency and keep your audience engaged. By organizing your content strategy effectively, you'll maximize the potential of your AI tools and drive better results in your income-generating efforts. Step 4. Now that you have valuable content, it's time to monetize it effectively. Explore various monetization options such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or selling digital products. Research affiliate programs related to your niche to maximize your earnings and find partnerships that resonate with your audience. Incorporate these opportunities seamlessly into your content. Additionally, create compelling calls to action that encourage your viewers to take the next step, whether it's clicking a link, signing up for a newsletter, or making a purchase. By strategically implementing these monetization strategies, you'll enhance your income potential and move closer to your financial goals. Step 5. Promote your content to reach a wider audience. To maximize your earning potential, promoting your content is essential. Leverage social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to share your work and engage with your audience. Create eye-catching posts that highlight your content and encourage shares. Additionally, engage with online communities and forums related to your niche, as this can help you connect with potential followers and drive traffic to your content. Consider using paid advertising options to boost visibility and attract a larger audience. By actively promoting your content, you'll increase your reach and enhance your chances of achieving your financial goals. Step 6. Analyze performance and adjust strategies to ensure your success. It's crucial to analyze your performance regularly. Use analytics tools to track engagement, traffic, and conversion rates for your content. This data will help you identify what works and what doesn't, allowing you to adjust your approach accordingly. Pay attention to which types of content resonate most with your audience and refine your strategies based on these insights. Additionally, stay updated on the latest AI trends to continuously improve your content and strategies. By being proactive in analyzing your performance, you'll enhance your effectiveness and move closer to achieving your financial goals. We discussed identifying the right tools, setting clear financial goals, developing a content strategy, monetizing effectively, promoting your content, and analyzing performance. Remember, consistency, strategy, and adaptability are crucial in achieving your financial goals. We hope you found this information valuable and inspiring. If you did, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who might benefit. Don't forget to explore more content on our channel for additional tips and strategies to help you succeed in your journey.